What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to try to make these Boudin, whatever, them balls. That's what we making today. Because listen, they was busting. But this my take on it because I can't find no Boudin sausage. And look at that little one over there. We tried to do real hot Cheetos. I'm sorry, regular Cheetos didn't work. So of course, y'all, we gotta go to the store. We gotta go to the store, okay? Okay. I couldn't find the sausage nowhere, right? So I'm in Ingles. That's a little. If you in a small area, you know what Ingles. If you in Georgia, you know what the Ingles is, okay? I'm talking about country part of Georgia because I don't think they got Ingles in the big parts of Georgia. I don't know. Maybe they do. I ain't been there, but that's where I'm at. I'm at Ingles. I did grab some regular pork sausage. I don't eat pork like that, but when I want my sausage, I like pork sausage. I eat pork sausage, but other than that, we ain't in this. I did give me some cinnamon rolls or whatever, and I had to grab some flour. I had some egg at home. You need some cheese. All these ingredients are gonna be down below. Okay. I seen a lot of people using jambalaya to do these Boudin balls or whatever. We're not doing all that. I'm not making no jambalaya. Then got to make these up. Now, what happened is, so guess what I did? I went and grabbed some Uncle Ben's red beans and rice. Yes, I did. And I warmed it up. I ain't even warmed it up in the microwave. I put it in a skillet. Y'all gonna see. But you need some cheese too. See, I'm stopped by cheese. Got a little cheese, whatever. You kind of need it. Depends on how big it is gonna be. I think I did about a total of 6 Boudin balls. So for 6, 1 pack was enough. The rest of the stuff will be linked down below or will be down below. Of course, you need your hot Cheeto puffs. I like to use puffs because they're easier to just break up. I started breaking them up before this video, but this is all the ingredients you need. Okay, don't forget the egg and the flour because I did the first day. We're going to put that sausage in the pan. And we're going to cook it up like stir frying. And then what we're going to do, we're going to follow up with that Uncle Ben's, right? That ready rice. That red beans and rice, okay? Because it got a little flavor onto it. I feel like it would have been good. It was good. I added that to the skillet. Woo that up. And I added it to the pork on the plate, right? So on top of that, we're going to let this cool off because it can't be too hot or it ain't going to stick. And then, while I'm letting it cool off, right, I'm going to go put the flour in the bowl like you see. And I'm going to put the egg wash or whatever in the bowl with some water. And I'm going to stir this thing up. So after you got all that prepped or whatever, now you can go in with the cheese. Now the cheese can't be cold either. It gotta be, all this stuff gotta be room temperature to get it to stick. Took me a minute to figure this out, but yeah, let it be room temperature. Don't let it be hot. Don't let that cheese melt all the way. It just need to be enough to let that stuff stick. And after we do this, we're gonna mix. You're gonna make your balls. You're gonna see me make some balls in a minute, but this is the key. You got to put them bad boys in the freezer. Now, I heard y'all say put them in the refrigerator. Now, if you're going to put them in the refrigerator, that's for something like you can put them in the refrigerator for the next day to fry. Or maybe if you're going to fry them that night and you do it that morning, you can put, okay, cool. But I froze mine. And they came out great. We tried to do one with regular hot Cheetos. Why I keep saying regular hot Cheetos? Damn. Well, regular Cheetos. Look at that cheese pool. Look at it. So we tried to do one with real Cheetos, and we burnt the hell out of it. But this is my take on Boudin balls, because I couldn't find a motherfucking Boudin. And I'm mad. But these things was busting, and they was good. Y'all go try it out. Let me know how you like my video and my recipe. And I thought about selling these. These things were so good, girl. Thanks for watching.